Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another wig tutorial, and this is going to be a back to school look, so whether you were going back or you are online, you can pop out regardless. So this was made by Outre and it's called Stevie. It's in the color DFF2 2730 and it was an absolutely beautiful wig. I was really surprised when I received it and I was super satisfied with how it looked, and this is not a sponsored video by the way. But this wig was really nice and I absolutely loved the color and I liked the way the waves held up. So the first thing I did was just put on the wig to test how it fits, and I will say the wig was very tight. So if you do have a bigger head, I warned you, but I was able to make it work. I just loosened up the straps in the back and it fit fine. So now I am just trimming the cap so that it does not show through the wig. And if you guys want to see how I applied my cap, you can watch my last video, which I'll link above or down below. Now the next thing I'm doing is just checking to make sure that I trimmed it all okay and that the wig is in the right place that I want it. And it already looks good and I haven't even glued it down, so I was super excited. So now I'm putting some foundation all along the cap, and you guys can use whatever you want. And then I'm using some Got2b spray and I am blow drying the spray and the foundation to set. So I use Ghost Bond glue and I just dotted it all along my hairline. And once I did that, I would spread it out with a rat tail comb, and you guys can use whatever you want, a popsicle stick or whatever you have. And I did this 3 times over, so I would put the glue, blow dry, put the glue, blow dry. And once that was done, I was ready to put it on. And I had to do it all in one swift motion, unlike the last time where I cut it in 3 pieces just because the wig was very tight. But it did lay on nicely, and I was very nervous doing this part. So now I'm just making sure that the glue is all dry and that it's stuck onto my skin. And I'm pressing it down to, again, make sure that it's secure. And the next thing I do is cut the lace. Alright, so that looks pretty good and I like the way it looks, so now I'm going to put some concealer down the middle to cover up the white and make sure that it matches my skin. And then I'm adding a little powder on top, and I was really satisfied with how it looked. And then I did hot comb it, but I didn't show you guys because I had to go to a nail appointment. And look at my nails, they were super cute. And then when I got back, I did do some touch-ups. So I was just adding some Ghost Bond glue and fixing up the edges that lifted up. And after that, I used some alcohol remover to clean up the skin. And once that was done, I used a L'Oreal Paris Dark Brown Magic Root Cover-Up just to spray along the hairline and the lace, because the lace was a bit white and I couldn't cover that part up with foundation because it would get all over the hair. So I used the spray and it worked really well. And here I decided to have a little fun and try and do some baby hairs because I'd seen people doing it all over YouTube. So I thought it would be super easy because I see people use like foam. And I was like, oh, this would be simple. Guys, it was not holding down anything. So then I tried edge control. But when I tried it, nothing was holding it down. Even the edge control, like, did not work. I eventually gave up because the hair did not need baby hairs anyway, so I just left that alone. And then I added the foam that I showed in the last clip all over my hair to tame the frizzing. And just look how well the waves held up. And then I decided to hot comb the top again just to make sure it was super flat and that it was laying really well. And then I tied it down, and I did have a bit of trouble trying to get the tie to go around my head, but I eventually did it. And then I left it on for 30 minutes, and here was the final result. So I was super happy with how it turned out, and I really suggest that you guys do get this wig if you're looking for something quick and easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.